What's up YouTube, it's Lou here. Hope you're all well. We're looking at Matic today on the daily time frame, Matic Polygon, whatever you want to call it. And just before we get into this video, I want to ask you guys to like, subscribe, get this channel to 2k subs by the end of this month. And of course, always leave a comment down below. What do you think of my TA? What do you think is going to happen with the price next? Let me know. So I just want to bring you guys to my Twitter. We're almost at... Oh wow, we gained a follower since my last video. So we're almost at 700 followers now. This is ridiculous. I started off with absolutely nothing, like only a few months ago. So thank you guys for the continued support. Let's get this to 700 by the end of today. I'm bringing your attention to XRP. This is my name if you don't know it already. Xrp Trade from the chat earlier today. This was yesterday. Nice to see people profiting from the same moves. 5x leverage on this one. TP was about 25%. If you're interested in the chat, please comment down below or go to my pinned post on my Twitter. So this was the XRP trade. I saw some type of bearish continuation pattern where we've come in, formed this triangle, got an ascending support, got a descending resistance, the resistance being the 20 EMA, coming into this apex where there was no space left and a move was going to be forced. A lot of people would have been thinking this is a double bottom, but I just thought this was bearish continuation with the lower lows and the lower highs. So, and of course holding the 20 EMA, basically saying this is resistance, we're going to continue down, put in a lower low. And on this green candle I entered, it did close in minus. We were in minus for a bit, but we were respecting the EMAs, and you got a bearish cross right here just to confirm the trade. We measured the move from here to here, put it on the breakout, and then obviously our take profit was in and around 79.5 cents, something like that. So that was our take profit. But once we came over 50% into profit, I moved my stop loss to entry and I closed half my position here, moved my take profit a bit higher to exactly 80 cents. Nice psychological level for people to take profit, and that's why I moved my take profit to there. We came down a little bit more, took some further profits here, and then TP was met. Danny over here made a decent profit on XRP, and it was just great to hear that. We also had Roman down here. Thanks for the trade, bro. I used 3x leverage and made 20%. It's just nice to see that people are profiting off the same moves. But let's get straight into Matic. Of course, just comment down below on those posts if you're interested in the chat. So something we can't ignore on Matic Polygon is this rising wedge. Now, if you guys don't know, personally, the chat has been in Matic Polygon since around 38 cents. It was in this range where basically I opened the chat for the to the public, and yeah, we were going sideways. A lot of scares over here, but we got in and around 38 cents. So all of us are way into profit. Even with this nasty dip, we were still in profit, and even with this dip right now, we know the most significant level to hold is $1.55. I said if we were to lose this, we must stay above 1.29, and we did, and we got straight back above $1.55. It's forming some sort of double bottom, ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it, and we had a technical target which was met at the 1618 at $207. So that has now been met. What happens after meeting a technical target? We tend to obviously reverse and form another pattern. Now we can see that we are holding support on the 55, so we could actually get some bullish continuation. We don't have the 200 EMA above us, it's actually below us, and we are actually above all the EMA, so this is very bullish. The only time we went below was for that double bottom and that little scare to $1.29. so actually Matic has been front running the market in the sense that it never really dipped too harsh. Of course, percentage gains wise, we did go down 55%, but looking at the structure that we did not want it to lose, it was holding all those key structures. This what's it called, golden pocket, was being held basically. If we measure from the top here down to the bottom, you can see our 0618 to the 050 is this 2 level. So that is the level that we wanted to stay above to head back to the 1, of course, and to our next technical targets at $4, $5, and $6.70. And as long as we're above 155, then of course those are our targets. It's just what is going on right now. What I would say is if we do lose this 55, you can see we're trapped in this range at the moment between $1.90 and $2, the psychological level. I'm going to drag this back, and you can see we're getting taps of resistance here, resistance and support. So I'm actually going to drag it to catch that wick because I do see it. There we go. And yeah, so this is a key resistance. that we're stopping at right now, where our technical target was, and we're just basically consolidating within it. So even though it was resistance, now that we're inside of it, the bottom of the inside, so this 190 is support and the top is resistance. So we're just trapped and the move is going to be forced. What I would like to see is the 20 EMA respected. So if we do fall out of here, I would expect a tap of about 182, 185 before continuation up. We'll go to the 4-hour time frame to see if there's a clearer picture basically. So you can see here we're holding the 20 right now and the 200, so very positive. What I would say is that if this is some sort of A, B, C, I would look at the 55 as an area that would hold going forward for a nice entry. That is if we are forming some sort of A, B, C and we come down to it. We'll just double check if so. So we know that $2 is a psychological level, so we could be continuing to $2. So this is just an experiment over here where if we do measure from here to here, you can see that actually the 0.61 is exactly on the psychological level. Well, here it says 199, but we're calling it $2. I'm calling it $2. So run into $2, confirm it as resistance, and then if that is so, we'll measure from here to that 618 at $2, and you can see our 1618 target is at $1.77, which is actually the 55 EMA, and we would know that we're going to the 55 anyway. If we lose the 20 and this 200, that would be the moving average that holds us, and that would make sense if this is some sort of A, B, C. So that's pretty much it for Matic to get today. If we get above this resistance, confirm it as support, we will be heading to this next technical target up here, because we were in a downtrend and now potentially going into an uptrend. We're fighting this previous support, now resistance. So if we do pull back, let's get above it, and our next technical target for Matic will be $2.45, because when we're going into an uptrend, we are basically retracing to each high point. So our first target, there's a little high point here, but the main structure is up here. You can see this was a descending triangle, also a head and shoulders pattern, which I gave you on the channel many months ago, not many months ago, back in December. Wow, I can't believe it's already been almost 2 months since then. We are in Feb, so 2 months. But yeah, all these moves have called out. So if you've been on the channel, thank you guys for supporting, and I'll catch you in the next one. Looking at 245 as the next impulsive wave target, as long as we can hold this 55. Lose that and we could roll over, but I would like to see $1.55 hold in this bull market for Matic Polygon. I'll bring you over to the crypto packages now. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So guys, these are my crypto packages. Let's bring you over to the one-on-one mentorship, where it's £650 one-off payment. You will get video call lessons with me over a 1-month period. We will do 1 or 2 hour lessons every single day, and you don't need any prior knowledge whatsoever. You can have zero, you can already be an advanced or intermediate trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve. Everything that I'm teaching you has taken me over 3 years to gather and cost me over £10,000, whether that was good courses, bad courses, mistakes, scams, or whatever it was. It cost me over £10,000 to get all this information that I'm personally teaching you. I also had to pay for my mentor over $2,000 for a 2-hour lesson. So what you're getting for this price is absolutely phenomenal. Now, you also get the 6-hour crypto course included in this price, as well as the signals chat until the top of the bull market. Now let's move over to the signals chat. I wouldn't call it signals. This is just basically a group where I post what I'm personally doing, my thoughts on the market, if I think it's going up or down. So there's daily chart updates, but also, yeah, throughout the day, what I'm thinking, or where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm looking to accumulate, or obviously get out the market. This is what's in the crypto chat, and that's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. Then we can move over to the 6-hour crypto course. There are over 35 plus videos in this. You don't need any prior knowledge to start. You can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced level trader. My job here is to 10x your learning curve, to make you into that self-sufficient trader, to make you into a trader that doesn't need outsiders' help. Not my help, not any YouTubers' help, or any crappy group chat. So if you're interested in this, you also do get a one-on-one mentorship lesson with me at the end of the course, so you can get any questions answered, so you're clear and you know exactly what to do going forward. If you're interested in any of these packages, then please go to my Twitter at Louis_crypto and literally comment down below and just say, Louis, I'm interested, and I'll personally private message you to see if you qualify for any of these packages. Thank you guys for listening, watching the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.